we doing today?
Catching tuna!
This morning we're going out by
Harbour Island, Gordons Bay.
Gordons Bay.
Yeah.
We're going deep sea fishing. We're going to see if we can get a couple of tunas. There's a couple of methods you can catch tuna. So we have live bait and lures, trolling lures. And then I'm going to do a couple of casting and see if we can get a nice yellowfin tuna. So how far are we going out?
About 48, 51 nautical miles.
So we're going out 100 kilometers roughly. So yeah, stay tuned.
So Warren, what has been happening today?
Absolutely fuck all. Put some lines out, trawling. Water temperature currently 17.3 degrees. Ideal for tuna. We've got some trawling lines out, two rapalas running at about 10-15 meters from the boat, and they're running under a bird with a squid and a spreader bar. What you busy doing now? Making some chum.
So, like a boys. Right guys, first one for the day. Longfin. We're now trailing, put it on a rapala. Shot.
On your feet, this is a shakedown. Order up that beat just like a takeout. Show me you got soul inside those new shoes. And you can rock and roll with an attitude.
How was the fight?
I don't know what this belt did at the moment.
Yeah, I was talking about opening.
Very nice. It was only once you started getting to the boat where you could really start feeling it fight. But yeah, enjoyed it. Looks like a little small one, but at least it is one. Two longfin caught on rapala.
Repeat, just let the beat kick. Everywhere you go, you bring the roof down. Everybody knows you got your own sound. So good, so fresh. Get up on your feet.
Alright, so we stopped trolling. What we'll be doing now is we'll be stripping for tuna. This means we put at least a sardine body onto a 6-0 hook, and I'll be tying up a new hook to one of our main lines. You would like to wet your knot just so you don't burn your line. That right there is what your knot should look like.